Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. You know, there's nothing like looking at a beautiful picture of the beach, of the ocean here in Southwest Virginia towards the end of November. Okay, that kind of gets me going and getting me ready for the spring and the summer, in the beginning of winter, so to speak. Okay. But in this video, I just want to share briefly about the Make Money page and the Make Money page system. So if you've been seriously looking for a way to generate extra income online, then you're listening to the right video. You're at the right place at this time. We've got some exciting things that we're putting together for people. A lot of times people get involved in businesses and they don't really have the support that they need to help them. Or sometimes you don't even get encouragement or inspiration, motivation, okay, to help you move forward. But all of that is changing with the Make Money page system, okay? And so we want you to tap into the system and begin to make money. All right, so I'm going to share something with you real quick, so stay tuned for the next few moments. Okay, so I'm going to invite you to my Make Money page, okay? And we've got three main programs that we want to share with you. Two of the programs are instant pay, direct pay, daily pay programs. Now, they're fully contained, done for you systems, okay? You get websites, built-in autoresponders, lead capture pages, all that kind of stuff, all right? One of the things that I believe in is personalizing your advertising and marketing, okay? Branding yourself so that you set yourself apart from everybody else. And that's what the Make Money page and the Make Money page system really is all about. So look, if you're serious about making money, then we've got the program for you, okay? And you're going to have all the support that you need. If you need help in building a personal page, you don't have to do that. But if you would like to do that, then we're here to help you to do that. Capture pages, personalized for yourself. Okay, we'll do that for you as well. All right. And we'll show you how all of that works if that's your desire. So we've got the plan, and all you have to do is tap into the plan and begin to make some money. Okay. We do have something for everybody. We have something for every budget. So whether you have a little bit of money to spend to start a business or a lot of money, guess what? We have something for you. The question is, again, are you looking? Are you looking to partner with somebody, with people who want to go places, going places, okay, making money, and is that your desire? So if that's your desire, then we're looking for you. We are looking for serious people, who are not afraid to take the action necessary to begin to build a business. Okay, we're looking for people who have, first of all, personal power, belief in themselves enough to see something and say, I can do that. I want to do that. I'm going to go for it. And that's really what it's going to take. Okay. The concept that we have is very simple. The concept is this, that you get involved in a business, okay, where you can start generating daily payments, of course, every day, daily payments, direct, instant payments made directly to you. And so we have those programs for you, two of them. Okay. We also have a residual income program that we want to share with you as well, and see how, and we tie all of this together. All right. But I want to take you to and just show you where you would come to. It's very simple. It's not a whole lot on this page, but I want to show you exactly where I would like you to come to. Okay. And let's start. See, okay, let me back up a little. See, it says the programs, okay? So you have program one, that's a direct pay, daily pay opportunity. Program 2, a direct pay, daily pay opportunity as well. And Program 3 is our residual income opportunity. And, you can either work one of these programs and this program together, or you can start with a daily pay program. It's all up to you. And we can show you how you tie everything together, and we'll help you to do that as well. We also have supporting programs. So, I've got a special gift for you. So stay tuned. Okay. But, solo ads here, all you have to do is click the link. It'll take you right there. Get massive exposure for your business on 1,000 plus sites. Increase traffic and sales now. Submit your ad to over 80,000 potential business partners. Get your 100%, and this is the free gift I want to give you just for sticking around and listening to this video. Okay, get your 100% free 1,250 travel savings cash now. Oh, I said it's free. No jokes, no kidding, no gimmicks, none of that kind of stuff. You get it for free. Okay, free web pages and more. Excellent web tools, autoresponder, and training in one place. And so we've got everything for you, and we're going to be adding more. Plus, when you join us and you partner with us, you'll also become part of our Motivated Marketers program, and tremendous benefits doing that as well. But that's pretty much it. When you access the information, I'm going to send you out some information that hopefully will inspire you and motivate you and help you along on your journey. The information is absolutely free, costs you nothing, maybe a little bit of time. Okay, but what is 90 seconds when it can change your life, right? All right, I think I've said enough, as a friend said, to have dinner over. Go ahead and grab the link and check things out today. Are you serious about making money? Then you ought to check out the Money Page and the Money Page system. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed today. Bye-bye.